Vandag besoek ons die Elsenburg Landbou College en dit is hier waar ek in 1995, bykans 30 jaar gelede, my wyntande geslyp het. Meer as 2/3 van Suid-Afrika se wynmakers het hier studeer. Die plek het 'n baie ryke geskiedenis. As jy kyk na die ou gebou, een van die oudstes op kampus, 1904, besef jy maar net, die plek bly die hartklop van die Suid-Afrikaanse wynindustrie. As studente was ons ook maar lekker stout gewees en in hierdie rooiwyn routertenke het ek menigte studente middagslaapies geneem. So what can you expect in the Cederberg winter box? Cederberg Sauvignon 2024. This was one of the great vintages for Sauvignon Blanc. Definitely one of the top 3 vintages of the last 25 years, 2009, 18 and 24, was very aromatic vintages. But the beauty of this wine is more about the texture. This was 5 to 6 months on fermentation lees and definitely much more to optimum to be consumed at 12 to 18 months from vintage. Then the Longueville Gloop Chenin, the wine that I produce with Julio Bijon in Chile. This is from the south of Chile, very old vineyard. And then a skin fermented Chenin, so kept on skins for about 2 months and then another 5 months, and this was all done with natural fermentation in concrete, a wine with amazing texture. You'll receive 22 or 23 vintage. If you drink this, pour it in a slightly bigger glass, expose it to a little bit oxygen, but on nose, this wine got that beautiful, more citrusy mineral edge. Beautiful food companion. So this is one of the iconic foodrus in the old cellar at Elsenburg. And I've got the Ghost Corner Wild Ferment Sauvignon Blanc 24 in my glass, new release. This is the leading premium South African Sauvignon Blanc, a wine with great finesse, massive concentration. Whole bunch press, natural ferment, 10 months in 400-liter French oak barrels. And the charm of this wine is just palate-wise. So on nose it got that beautiful more quince white pear, beautiful canned white asparagus, and then fantastic concentration on palate. You always need the extra sip. So hierdie ou brandewijnketel is in 1991 deur die Brandewyn Stichting aan Elsenburg geskenk. En in 1995 het ons vir nagte aan een brandewyn vervolmaak. Ghost Corner Pinot Noir 24. This is a great expression of the vintage. Cool climate Pinot Noir, really coastal influence in Cape Agulhas, so wine with beautiful fruit expression and finesse and purity, but the beauty of this wine is palate. So still a youngster, if you can still keep this a year or 2, you will be rewarded, and enjoy it. Some very nice ruby port from Elsenburg. In hierdie kelder was ons baie stout. So in die eerste week het ons die sleutels gesteel van die kelder. En hier het ons menigte aande pragtige ou wyn kom drink. 1963 Langerak Pinotage, 1974 Nederberg, Rubicon. Al hierdie pragtige wyne wat hier gestoor was, het ons as studente geproe. Dis die ondergrondse kelder van die Elsenburg en rondom hierdie tafel het ons groot drome vir ons wynloopbane gehad. So this is Merlot Shiraz, exclusively from our Vinotheek, 2019 vintage. So one of the advantages of the Cederberg Circle is that we can release wines from the Vinotheek exclusively for our members. Great vintage, long hanging time, long ripening, a blend of 60% Merlot, 40% Shiraz. Great fruit expression, fantastic palate, and a wine that you can enjoy now. Then the last wine, Cederberg Shiraz 21 vintage. Great red wine vintage. And this is the new release. And this wine done exceptionally well. It's a Platter 5-star. It's Concours Mondial de Brussels Grand Gold. It's a 95 International Wine and Spirits Competition wine. And then last week, in the heart of the Rhone, in the village of Ampiers, at the Syrah de Mont, one of 2 golds for South Africa. We always refer to it and say, Shiraz loves Cederberg. And that's exactly what you will find in your glass, a wine with an optimum drinking time of another 2 to 4 years from now, and enjoy every sip.